हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे DSSSB का पेपर टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी जो कंडक्ट किया गया था 18 सितंबर 2019 को। ये टोटल 200 मार्क्स का पेपर था जिसका ड्यूरेशन था 120 मिनट्स का। फ्रेंड्स, हम अपने सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे सब्जेक्ट का पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बोन डज नॉट मेक अप द बोनी ऑर्बिट? ऑप्शंस आर मैक्सिला, फ्रंटल, zygomatic और parietal. Right answer is parietal. Next question is, the volume of an adult bony orbit is 30 ml, 50 ml, 70 ml, 60 ml. Right answer is 30 ml. Next question is, the structure passing from the superior orbital fissure are third, fourth ophthalmic artery, third, fourth superior ophthalmic fifth, second, sixth superior ophthalmic fifth, third, sixth ophthalmic artery and vein. Correct answer is third, fourth superior ophthalmic fifth. Our next question is, which option shows the action performed by the inferior oblique muscles? Options are intorsion, elevation, abduction. Second is extorsion, depression, abduction. Third is extortion, elevation, abduction. Fourth is intorsion, depression, abduction. Correct answer is extortion, elevation and abduction. Next question is, the opening of the nasolacrimal duct in the nose is at medial meatus, inferior meatus, lacrimal sac या above the medial meatus. Correct answer is inferior meatus. Our next question is, the vertical and horizontal anterior diameter respectively of cornea in adult is about 11 and 12 mm, about 12 and 11 mm, about 12 and 13 mm, about 11 and 13 mm. Correct answer is about 11 and 12 mm. Our next question is, the anterior and posterior radii of central optical zone of cornea are 7.8 and 6.5 mm, 6.5 and 7.8 mm, 7 and 7.8 mm, 6.8 and 6.5 mm. Our correct answer is 7.8 and 6.5 mm. Next question, friends. Light rays passing through ocular media to form an image on retina will show maximum refraction at. First option is anterior surface of lens, second posterior surface of cornea, third anterior surface of cornea, fourth posterior surface of lens. Correct answer is anterior surface of cornea. Next question is, vitamin A is stored in liver as retinoic acid, 11 cyst retinal, retinyl ester or retinol. Option number third. Our correct answer is option third, retinyl ester. Next question is, the mucin in mucous layer of tear film is secreted by Zeiss gland, Meibomian gland, conjunctival goblet cells, or glands of mole? Correct answer is conjunctival goblet cells. Our next question is the secondary focal point of a myopic eye is on the retina, anterior to retina, posterior to retina at infinity. Correct answer is anterior to the retina. Our next question is moving a lens closer to the eye causes increases effective power of a minimum minus lens, increases effective power of a plus lens. A minus lens of higher power will be acquired or a plus lens of lower power will be required. Correct answer is increases effective power of a minus lens. Next question is to increase the absorption of topical drug, which of the following method is not used? Add surfactants. Second, close eyelids after instillation of drugs. Third, decrease the frequency of instillation. Fourth, punctal compression. Correct answer is decrease the frequency of instillation. Next question is the drug's delivery system includes bandage contact lens, spectacles, IOL or prism. Correct answer is bandage contact lens. Next question is a patient presents with painful gradual diminished vision in left eye following trauma with a vegetative matter. His provisional diagnosis in fungal corneal ulcer. Which of the antifungal drug would you advise? A part fosarnet, B part fluconazole, third erythromycin, fourth penicillin. Correct answer is fluconazole. Next question is how does iodouridine function? It inhibits aldosterone synthesis. It inhibits 50S ribosome. It inhibits replication of virus. It has anti-clogogenetic property. Right answer is it inhibits replication of virus. Our next question is acai clover is indicated in herpes simplex virus keratitis, B part toxoplasmosis, C part blepharitis, fourth is conjunctivitis. Our right answer is herpes simplex virus keratitis. Our next question is Tomolol is a non-selective beta blocker, selective beta blocker, parasymptomatic drug, selective alpha agonist. Correct answer is non-selective beta blocker. Our next question is a mother of infants who was prescribed atropine 1% eye ointment in apprehensive and wants to know when will the infant recover from the glare producer. What would the duration that you would tell her for which the mydriasis will remain the normal eye? 7 to 10 days, 15 to 21 days, 15 days or 3 days. Correct answer is 7 to 10 days. Next question is, in case of about ocular viscoelastic drug, which statement is true? They should be optically clear. They should protect endothelium. They should be non-toxic, or they should not have corrosiveness. Correct answer is they should not have corrosiveness. Our next question is, according to WHO, the classification of vitamin A deficiency XIB is conjunctival cirrhosis, night blindness, corneal keratomalacia less than 1/3 of corneal surface, or biotic spot. Correct answer is biotic spots. Next question is, the peribulbar block is given in first, children for examination, second, retrobulbar space, third, space of muscle cone, fourth, outside space of muscle cone. Correct answer is outside space of muscle cone. Next question is, the corneal collagen cross-link is done in keratoconus by first, riboflavin and UVC exposure, second, beta carotene and UVB exposure, third, beta carotene and UV exposure, fourth, riboflavin and UVA exposure. Correct answer is fourth, riboflavin and UVA exposure. Our next question is, prophylactic ZAG peribulbar iridotomy is being done at your clinic. Which drug you will instill in the patient's eye before the procedure? First, tropicamide, second, homoatropine, third, pilocarpine, fourth, phenylephrine. Correct answer is pilocarpine. Next question is, which of the following is true with regard to the interference of light? First, anti-reflection coating works on the principle of destructive interference. Second, interference filters can transmit all wavelength of light. Third, corneal transparency is due to constructive interference. Fourth, it is main source of formation to clear image on retina. Correct answer is anti-reflection coating works on the principle of destructive interference. Next question is, which of the following is not correct about polarized light? First, light waves in the polarized light are parallel to each other. Second, ophthalmic instrument use polarized light. Third, sunlight is a polarized light. Fourth, polarizing filters are used to decrease glare. Correct answer is sunlight is a polarized light. Next question is, when an object is placed beyond the curvature of the center of the curvature of a convex lens, the image will not be smaller, inverted, at infinity, or real. Correct answer is at infinity. Next question is, the refraction of light through astigmatic lens is in the form of a line, vertical oval, Stump's conide, or horizontal oval. Correct answer is Strum's cornoid. Next question is, two thin lenses of +2 diopter and -1 diopter is placed closer to each other, then the focal length of the combination of lens will be 3m, 2m, 1/2m or 1m. Correct answer is 1m. Next question is, in a case of reduced schematic eye, anterior and posterior focal lengths when measured from anterior surface of the cornea are 17 and 22.6 mm respectively, 22.6 and 17 mm respectively, 15.6 and 23 mm respectively, 23 and 15.6 mm respectively. Correct answer is 17 and 22.6 mm respectively. Next question is, regarding abrasion, which statement is false? First is, spherical abrasion increases after the use of mydriatic. Second, the duochrome test is based on the chromatic abrasion. Third, coma is a type of oblique astigmatism. Fourth, dispersion occurs when light falls on prism. Correct answer is coma is a type of oblique astigmatism. Next question is, you are asked to change the prescription to another form so that the patient is comfortable. What will be the new prescription? Sorry guys. A patient with the following prescription is unhappy with his lens: -4 ds plus 1 dc into 90 degree. You are asked to change the prescription to another form so that the patient is comfortable. What will be the new prescription? Correct answer is -3 ds -1 dc into 180. Next question is, you want to prescribe spherical contact lens to a patient with following prescription: -3 diopter sphere, -1 diopter cylinder into 45 degree. What will be the spherical equivalent of the given prescription? Answer is -3.5 ds. Next question is, the image formed by a prism is erect, real, inverted or shift towards the apex. Correct answer is shift towards the apex. Next question is, which of the following is not true regarding critical angle and total internal reflection? At critical angle, the angle of reflection is equal to 90. Second, total internal reflection is used in reflecting prism of indirect ophthalmoscope. The angle of interior chamber cannot be seen because of total internal reflection. With the help of gonioscope, the angle of interior chamber can be seen by decreasing the critical angle. Our correct answer is, with the help of gonioscope, the angle of interior chamber can be seen by decreasing the critical angle. Our next question is, a prism of one prism will displace the image of an object placed 100 cm away by 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter or 100 meter. Correct answer is 1 centimeter. Our next question is, with regard to the notation of the spherocylindrical lens, which of the following is not correct? Our right answer is option third. Meridian convention for cylindrical axis was adopted by TABO in 1947. Our next question is, you have a toddler in your clinic who can't speak. You want to assess his visual activity. Which of the following instrument you will not use for this? Answer is Braille and Lowe chart. Our next question is, regarding visual activity, which of the statement is true? Options are 5 by 6 is considered normal vision. Second, size of the pupil has no effect. Third, it is about 10 minutes of an arc. Fourth, it can be tested with the Schraden-Gardner test. Option D, it can be tested with Schraden-Gardner test. Our next question is, which of the following is not true with regard to the wavefront analysis? Options are, it is done in all patients under LASIK, it is measured with the abrometer, it can be measured refractive error to about 0.01 diopter. Fourth one is, it can be done to detect abrasion outside the cornea. Our correct answer is, it is done in all patients undergoing LASIK. Our next question is, with regard to retinoscopy, which of the following is not true? Answer is, moving towards the patient produced against movement in all meridians. Our next question is, while performing retinoscopy with a plane mirror, which statement of the following is not true? Option answer is A, with movement always indicates hypermetropia. Our next question is, which of the following is not true regarding with the which of the following is not true with regard to the working lens in retinoscopy? Answer is the distance between the patient and observer. Our next question is, which of the following is not a refractive error? Myopia, anisometropia, presbyopia, or hypermetropia? True answer is presbyopia. Our next question is, which of the following is not true with regard to Jackson cross cylinder? Correct answer is a 0.50 diopter cross cylinder can be written up as plus 0.25 ds oblique minus 0.50 dc. Our next question is, which of the following is not true about hypermetropia? Correct answer is facultative hypermetropia is the amount of hypermetropia that cannot be corrected by accommodation. Our next question is, with regard to pinhole, which option is not correct? Answer is no improvement in vision always indicates the presence of macular disease. Our next question is, the optical jump cannot be decreased by designing bifocal lens by. Answer is placing the top of the bifocal segment as close as possible to the optical center of the distance segment. Next question is, which of the following is not true regarding snopic slit? Correct answer is it is an elonged pinhole that increases blur in the axis of astigmatism. Next question is which of the following regarding progressive lens is not true? They have power for viewing at only three distances. B part, visible line is not seen in these lenses. Third, they are cosmetically superior to bifocals. Fourth, they provide greater range of clear vision. Correct answer is they have power for viewing at all three distances. Next question is the height of the reading portion of a multifocal lens measured from the bottom of the frame to the beginning of progressive ads is called. Answer is segment's height. Next question is in case of concomitant squint is correct answer is primary deviation is equal to the secondary deviation. Next question is which of the following is not true about stereopsis? Correct answer is TNO test is based on monoocular clues. Our next question is which is not a surgical method for the management of refractive error? First, LASIK. Second, LASIK. Third, orthokeratology. Fourth, PRK. Correct answer is orthokeratology. Our next question is with regards to indirect ophthalmoscope, which of the following is not correct? First, magnification is 15 times. Second, wider field. Third, image is real and inverted. Fourth, peripheral retina can be seen. Correct answer is magnification is 15 times. Next question is with regard to IOL power calculation, which of the following is not true? Keratometry is required. Axial length is measured. If AL is less than 24.5 mm, Hoffer skew is used. In high myopia, SRK2 should be used. Correct answer is in high myopia, SRK2 should be used. Our next question is which of the following is not an indication of a CT scan? Orbital trauma, evaluation EOM in TED. Third, pregnancy. Fourth, orbital cellulitis. Correct answer is pregnancy. Next question is which of the following is not an indication for MRI? First, optic nerve disease. Second, meningioma of optic nerve. Third, intracranial lesion. Fourth, metallic foreign body. Correct answer is metallic foreign body. Next question is which of the following is not true regarding Hess charting? Correct answer is larger field belong to the abnormal eye. Next question is which of the following is not an complication associated with the wearing of contact lens? First, giant pupillary conjunctivitis. Second, corneal abrasion. Third, dry eye syndrome. Fourth, ARMD. Correct answer is fourth, ARMD. Our next question is Which of the following is not true regarding safe strategy for trachoma management? Correct options are surgery of complication, second cataract surgery, third environmental hygiene, fourth antibiotics. Correct answer is second cataract surgery. Next question is, in which of the following condition the corneal sensation are lost? Herpes simplex keratitis, second fungal keratitis, third bacterial keratitis, fourth marginal keratitis. Correct answer is herpes simplex keratitis. Next question is, how many layers are there in neurosensory retina? Options are 9, 10, 11 or 12. Correct answer is 9. Next question is, which is the most common cause of diminished vision in diabetic retinopathy? First, microaneurysm, second, macular edema, third, retinal hemorrhage, fourth, retinal detachment. Correct answer is second, macular edema. Our next question is, fluid accumulates between which of the following layer in retinal detachment? Correct answer is neurosensory retina and retinal pigment epithelium. Our next question is, which of the following is not a sign of third nerve palsy? Ptosis, episcleral mydriasis, ptosis increased in the evening, fourth, defective accommodation. Our right answer is ptosis increased in the evening. Our next question is, which of the following is not a cause of neonatal conjunctivitis? Options are N. gonorrhea, C. trachomatis, S. pyogenes or H. influenza. Our correct answer is S. pyogenes. Our next question is, which of the following is not an example of absorbable suture? First, catgut, second, visceral, fourth, virgin silk, fourth is chromatic catgut. Right answer is virgin silk. Our next question is, which is the condition in which the cataract surgery is contraindicated? First is corneal opacity, second, myopia, third, BP of 180 by 100, fourth, history of MI 12 month back. Our correct answer is BP of 180 by 100. Our next question is, which of the following is equivalent to 6 by 6 in logmar? Options are first 1, second 0.1, third 0.66, fourth 0.0. Correct answer is 0.0. Next question is, which imaging technique is non-invasive and used to study different layers of retina? Correct options are fluorescence angiography, second pachymetry, third fundus photography, fourth OCT. Correct answer is OCT. Next question is, The double Maddox test is done to measure isodeviation, exodeviation, cyclodeviation, or exophoria. Correct answer is cyclodeviation. Our next question is, in case of isodeviation during PBCT, the base is displaced. Base up, base down, base in, or base out. Correct answer is base out. Next question is, cover test is done to confirm the presence of heterophoria, heterotropia, amblyopia, or ptosis. Correct answer is heterotropia. Our next question is, hand washing should be done for a minimum time of 90 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, or 40 seconds. Correct answer is 30 seconds. Our next question is, which of the following is not correct regarding OCT? Our true answer is cannot be done in patient with bronchial asthma. Next question is, which of the following cannot be characterized as low vision? Option is, first, less than 6 by 18 or to 6 by 60. Second, less than 6 by 60 to 6 by 60, 3 by 60. Third, less than 3 by 60. Fourth, visual field more than 10 degree. Correct answer is less than 3 by 60. Next question is, in case of preventable blindness, which of the following is true? Correct answer is cataract is an example of preventable blindness. Our next question is, which is the most common cause of blindness in India? Options are, first cataract, second glaucoma, third uncorrected refractive error, fourth trachoma. Correct answer is cataract. Our next question is, the following common cause of blindness globally is: A part cataract, second glaucoma, third refractive error, fourth xerophthalmia. Correct answer is cataract. Our next question is, in comprehensive eye care camp with the reach out approach, the medical team comprises of. Correct answer is 1 resident doctor, 2 nurses, 2 operation theatre assistant, and 2 paramedical personnels. Next question is, Vision 2020, the Right to Sight is a globally initiative launched by. Correct answer is WHO. Next question is, which of the following is not a function of an eye bank? Correct answer is doing research on medicine. Next question is, which structure cannot be examined with a slit lamp without an additional aid? Options are cornea, second anterior chamber, third iris and pupils, fourth macula. Our correct answer is fourth macula. Next question is, the most important prerequisites for retinoscopy is: first retinoscope, second ophthalmoscope, third red and green filter, fourth Snellen's chart. Our correct answer is retinoscope. Next question is, which of the following is not true about refractometer? Our correct answer is subjective testing is not required in final prescription. Our next question is, which of the following is a physiological nystagmus? Correct answer is optokinetic nystagmus. Option third is correct. Our next question is, single cut lens have design with? Correct answer is front surface as single curved surface. Next question is, which statement from the optics is true about wettability? Our right answer is, it is the adherence of liquid to the solid surface. Our next question is, which of the following is not correct with regard to a contact lens? Answer is third. It is an artificial device kept in contact with anterior surface of lens. Our next question is, which of the following is not a characteristics of too tight or fit of soft contact lens? Answer is option third. Correct answer is, there is an excessive movement of the lens. Our next question is, deposits of contact lens that are of denatured protein are not caused by heat, dryness, water, or UV light. Correct answer is water. Next question is, which modality associated with the wearing of contact lens causes maximum chance of infection? Options are, first daily disposable, second daily wear, third extended wear hydrogels, fourth flexible wear. Our correct answer is third, extended wear hydrogels. Next question is, the common fungi that causes corneal ulcer is? Options are, first Aspergillus, second Neisseria gonorrhea, third Staphylococcus, fourth Proteus. Correct answer is first Aspergillus. Our next question is, which of the following is not responsible to cause decreased corneal sensation? First, viral keratitis, second, neuroparalytic keratitis, third, leprosy, fourth, cataract. Our correct answer is fourth, cataract. Next question is, optimum time for the removal of donor eye from the body of deceased is within dash hours of death. Correct answer is within 6 hours of death. Our next question is, short-term storage is a method of donor corneal storage. Which of the following statement about the method is true? Our correct answer is, storage can be done up to 48 hours at 4 degrees Celsius in a moist chamber. Next question is, the refractive change that occurs in an aphakic eye is? Correct answer is, anterior focal point is 23 mm while posterior is 31 mm. Our next question is, heterophoria cannot be diagnosed with the help of which of the following tests? First, Maddox start. Second, Maddox swing. Third, cover test. Fourth, cover and uncover test. Correct answer is third option, cover test. Our next question is, which of the following is not true regarding the accommodative esotropia? Our correct answer is the deviation result from complete or incomplete paralysis of one or more extraocular muscles. Correct. Third option is correct. Thank you guys.